Welcome to Viope Quick Start tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the first steps you need to get up and running and start using Viope. I'll show you how to create a course and how to set up student accounts. You can access Viope from viope.com. The login is in the upper right corner. After logging in, the first view is your dashboard where you can see all of the courses you have access to. But if this is your first login and there are no courses yet, this is what your screen is going to look like. So you'll need to create new courses. If you're logging in with a teacher or admin account, you'll see this organization admin box in the upper left corner. Click on Manage to go into the admin area. You'll first be in the Courses and Exams section. If you want to create a new course, choose Courses. If you want to create an exam, click on Exams. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a course. You can follow the same steps to create an exam. So choose Courses, hit Add Course. Then you'll see a list of course templates. Click on Academic to choose the template you're going to build your course on. Now the first thing we want to do is name our course, as well as set the starting and ending date. Students cannot access the course before the starting date. And after the ending date, the course will automatically move to the expired course section, but students still can go into the course. On your right, you can adjust some settings. Check this box if you want to allow students to enroll in this course. If you don't enable enrollment, the course is not going to be visible to students. Order by chapters means students must finish studying all material and complete all exercises in one chapter before they can move on to the next one. Order by exercises means students must complete one exercise before moving on to the next. In other words, they cannot jump from exercise to exercise without completing the preceding. If you want to show students example answers of exercises right after they submit their answers, check this box. And check this box if this course includes exams and you want to show example answers right after students submit their answers while doing an exam. Now this step is quite important. If you're going to be the teacher of this course, you should add yourself as a teacher. Otherwise, you won't be able to access the course. You can also add yourself as a student if you want to see what the course is going to look like to your students. Click on Join Exam if you have separate exams and want to link the exams to this course. Technically, when you link an exam to a course, all the students of the exam and the course will be combined under the same course. Finally, you can adjust the teacher and student menus. If you want to hide certain features, just uncheck the boxes. You can also rename the menu items or translate them into your preferred language. Just type an alternative name of the item in the text box. When you're done, hit the Save button. Now, let's go back to the dashboard. This is the course I've just created. Let's go into the course. In this teacher interface, you can start creating study materials and adding students. You can check out other tutorials in our website to learn how to create course material. Now, let's check out how to add students to this course. There are 3 ways you can add students. You can manually create accounts. If your students already have accounts and are currently on other courses, you can move them from other courses to your course, or let students sign up by themselves. Let's check out the first option, manually create student accounts. In the teacher interface, go to Students. There are 2 options, create one account at a time or create a series of accounts at a time. Click on Add New User to create one account at a time. Fill in the required information, username, email, password. Scroll down to the bottom to choose the course you are going to add the students to. Choose the status as Student. Hit Save. A blue button appears. Click to send the account information directly to the student's email. Now let's go back and see how to create multiple accounts by prefix. Click on Add Users by Prefix. Prefix is the word that the usernames will start with. For example, I use vStudent. I'm going to create 5 accounts at once, so the first account in the series is going to end with 100, and the last account in the series will end with 105. Then, choose the course and click on Save. Now I have 5 accounts with the same prefix. I can copy this list, save it in a separate document, and send it to students. In the second scenario, your students already have accounts, but they are on other courses, so you want to add the students from other courses to your course. In your teacher interface, go to Students. You can search a student by name in the search bar. Alternatively, choose the course or exam where the students are, then choose the student role. Hit the Search button. A full list of students on the chosen course shows up. I can select all by clicking this checkbox or select just a few students. Then scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on Add to this course to add to my course. Done. The students you have selected are now on your course. To double check, you can just choose your course, and here you see all of the students currently on your course. In the last scenario, if you don't want to create student accounts, you can ask your students to register for accounts by themselves. Let's go back to the admin area. Back on Dashboard, click on Manage. Click on the orange button called Settings to check out the course information. Then make sure you enable the enrollment, and the course is valid at the time the students register. Ask your students to go to the Viope login page of your school. If you don't know what your login address is, write us at support@viope.com. There is a blue link called Enroll on the Course. Click on it to open the enrollment form. Fill in the form and choose the course to enroll in. After the students have registered, you need to approve the enrollment before they get access. To approve enrollments, go to your teacher's site. I'm going back to the course that I've just created. Go to Students. Now I can see some highlighted students waiting for the approval. Click on this green button to approve or the red one to reject the enrollment. That's it for this quick start tutorial. For more tutorials, please visit our website.